Imagine a place where countries settle their disputes peacefully without wars or conflicts. Welcome to the International Court of Justice, where nations argue their cases and find resolutions. In this video, we will walk you through the process of filing a case in this prestigious court. Here's what we will cover. First, what is the International Court of Justice, or ICJ in short? 2. The role and function of the ICJ. 3. How a case is filed in the ICJ. 4. Is examples of notable cases. 5. Recent updates and relevant case laws. The International Court of Justice, often called the World Court, is the principal judicial body of the United Nations. Established in 1945, it aims to settle disputes, legal disputes between states or governments, and provides an advisory opinion on legal questions referred by the United Nations. The ICJ has two primary functions. 1. Settling legal disputes between states in accordance with the international law. 2. Giving advisory opinions on legal questions referred to it by the United Nations General Assembly, Security Council, or other authorized bodies. The court comprises of 15 judges elected for a 9-year term by the UN General Assembly and Security Council. Filing a case in the ICJ involves several steps. First is jurisdiction agreement. Both parties must agree that the ICJ has jurisdiction. This can be through a treaty or a special agreement. In this court, no individuals can file a case. 2 is application submission. The state initiating the case submits an application to the ICJ registrar outlining the dispute, the parties involved, and the legal grounds. 3 is written pleadings. Both parties must submit written pleadings detailing the arguments, evidence, and legal precedents. 4 is oral hearings. The court holds public hearings where representatives of both parties present their arguments and answer questions from judges. 5 is deliberation and judgment. The judges deliberate in private and issue binding judgments. This judgment is final and without appeal. Here are some notable cases which you can refer. The first is a Corfu Channel case that happened in 1949. This was one of the first cases heard by the ICJ involving a dispute between United Kingdom and Albania over naval passages. Second case is Nicaragua versus United States. Nicaragua accused the US of supporting rebel forces. The ICJ ruled in favor of Nicaragua, highlighting the importance of non-interference in sovereign states. The third case is a recent case, which is between Qatar versus United Arab Emirates. This case involved allegation of racial discrimination and human rights violations. The ICJ issued provisional measures to protect rights of Qatari citizens. One significant recent update involves the Gambia versus Myanmar case that happened in 2020, where the Gambia accused Myanmar of genocide against Rohingya population. The ICJ ordered provisional measures to protect the Rohingya, showcasing its role in addressing serious human rights violation. Judge Rosalind Higgins, a former president of the ICJ, emphasized the court's role in maintaining international peace and security, stating that the ICJ is a beacon of hope for peaceful resolution of disputes. To recap, first, the ICJ is the main judicial body of the UN, resolving disputes between states. 2. Filing a case involves jurisdiction agreement, application submission, written pleadings, oral hearings, and a final judgment. 3 is notable cases include the Corfu Channel Case and Nicaragua versus United States. 4 is recent updates like the Gambia versus Myanmar case highlights the ICJ's ongoing impact. The International Court of Justice stands as a testament to the power of law and the diplomacy in resolving conflicts and upholding justice globally. Stay tuned for more insights into international law and the fascinating world of legal proceedings. Take care and bye-bye.